Hey folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix status underscore breakpoint errors, then stick around for the solutions. Now these error will normally be displayed on the browsers of Edge or Google Chrome. So this is the reason for this is both are built on the same base, that is Chromium. So what can we do first? Now I'm using Edge. You can do this on Google Chrome also. You need to clear the history and the cache. So click on the three dots here, look for history and go to history. Click on delete browsing data. Select the time range all time and ensure that all these boxes are ticked, including cookies and cached images, and press clear now. Once it is done, restart the browser and this problem should not appear. But if this doesn't work, then we can disable the extensions in the browser. So we go, click the three dots again, look for extensions, manage extensions, and we look at what extensions we have. So if this is click like this, then that means the extension is using the browser. So what happens is sometimes because of these extensions we get this error message. So we'll disable these extensions either altogether or one by one to identify the source of which extension is giving this error message. If we do find that out, then we'll disable that extension only, and that should clear the problem. Now if that doesn't work, we will have to reset the settings of the browser. So we will again click on the three dots, go to settings, look here for reset settings and restore settings to their default values. Click this, reset, and this should be the solution for the error message. Now finally, if this doesn't work, then we will disable graphics acceleration. So click on the browser, again click these three dots here, go to settings, look for system and performance, click it, and there will be this bar, use graphics acceleration when available. You need to switch this off and restart the browser. I hope this video helped you. Please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.